Notes are the building blocks of music. A note's length or duration is measured in beats. Let's quickly look at the different note values. A whole note's duration is the same as 2 half notes or 4 quarter notes or 8 eighth notes. A half note's duration is the same as 2 quarter notes or 4 eighth notes or 8 16th notes. A quarter note's duration is the same as 2 eighth notes or 4 16th notes or 8 32nd notes. An eighth note's duration is the same as 2 16th notes or 4 32nd notes. The time signature 4/4, known as common time because it is used so often, means that there are 4 quarter note beats per measure. As mentioned, the top number of a time signature indicates the number of beats per measure, and the bottom number indicates the length of the beat. Therefore, 4/4 meter indicates that there are 4 quarter note beats per measure. Therefore, whole notes would last for 4 beats, which is a whole measure in 4/4 meter. Half notes last for half as long as whole notes, which are 2 beats in 4/4 time. Quarter notes last for a quarter of a whole note, which is 1 beat in 4/4 meter. Eighth notes have the duration of half a quarter note. Eighth notes subdivide each quarter note pulse or beat into 2 equal parts. They are counted as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Eighth notes occur either on the beat or off the beat. The off beat is also referred to as the and of the beat. 16th notes subdivide each quarter note pulse into 4 equal parts. They are counted as 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. Rests are used to indicate silence, just as notes are used to indicate sound. Like notes, rests can last for any number of beats. Notes can also be dotted or tied, which will increase a note's duration. A dot increases a note's value by half of the note's duration. For example, a dotted half note lasts for 3 beats. 2 of those beats for the half note plus half of that duration, which is a quarter note for the dot. The dotted quarter note lasts for 1.5 beats. 1 of those beats for the quarter note plus half a beat, which is an eighth note for the dot. Rests can be dotted. A tie combines the duration of 2 or more notes. Ties and stems are always placed on opposite sides of the notehead. Rests cannot be tied. The following audio are examples of what we have just discussed.